Hello, welcome back to Sharing with Serena. Today I will show you how to make jujube chips. I finally got the formula and I would like to share it with you. Hour versus use a traditional oven. Next video, I will show you how to style your hair with your fingers. That's what I do every morning. I don't use a blow dryer, comb, iron, none of those. I use water, oil, cream, or spray gel. Usually I don't use all four. If my hair was before I highlighted, I just use cream, oil, or spray gel. But when you highlight your hair gets so frizzy in the morning, especially when you go dark to highlight light. Then you have to control it, otherwise it gets too frizzy. And I will show you how to do that. And if you don't believe me,